Welcome back to Craftastic Forever, everyone. I am Adine here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a really pretty DIY mini Christmas tree, paper tree to be exact. And yeah, don't worry, Christmas ain't here yet. I know that, but this time I thought, why don't get the Christmas early on our channel? Since last time I was a little late for Halloween and Diwali, so this time I'm gonna do the Christmas a little early. So let's get started. The things you're gonna need first are color paper. You can also use normal paper if you like, and this is a decoration you can put anywhere in your house. Like, you can keep it down, hang it. You can make a big one with really big paper to decorate as well. So you're gonna need origami paper, which I have here. I have used one-sided color paper. You can use double-sided as well, and you're gonna need the scissors. And yes, I am using my camera on zoom in, so my paper is a lot more smaller than regular, so that it can fit in a camera, in my tablet camera, and my scissor ain't that big, guys. So let's get started. First you want to do is crease your paper into a perfect exact half, and don't worry about the color wreck, it's already there on the paper. Next you want to do is crease it again, and you'll get something like so. Then you want to do is slowly pop it in, and I'm sure you probably know this technique already. It's called the crease technique from origami, if you know how to do it. Then you want to do is something like so, and do that in all the sides like this. Now you can see it stands up a little like this. Then you want to do is keep it flat like so, and take one of these parts and crease it in the middle. You want it to be perfectly in the middle so that you don't want to wreck the design and shape. So you'll get something like so. Now you want to do it to all of these sides by folding it like so and so. You want to do it to all the sides, and don't worry about the down part, you're gonna cut it later anyways. Just like so. And please don't mind my camera, it's really shaky today. And now you'll have something like this. I'm done here. So you're supposed to have something like so. Now you want to do is flatten it out again, and now here you're gonna need your scissors, and you want to cut the downer part out. You're not gonna need it, and it's best if you cut it into a straight shape, a plain straight shape, if you want it to stand down on the ground. And you should get something like so. Now you want to move all this in the side, go ahead, and you get something like this. Then you want to do is, this is the tricky part, you want to do is carefully cut 3 creases in both these sides like so, here and all of these parts as well. I'll do it and show you guys. You want to cut them just like so, so you'll get all of these sides. Now what you want to do is slow and carefully fold all of these into mini triangles, just like so. And you want to do it to all of these sides, and you're supposed to get something like this. Now you want to do is slowly spread all these sides out to get something like this, and you're done with your mini origami tree. It looks super pretty when you put it aside for some kind of decorations and things. So this is the end of the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Stay creative and stay sweet, and help me reach 1,000 subscribers real soon. We'll see each other next week, and next week here is a pre-sneak peek, which is that I'm gonna unbox a huge amount of chocolate. It's a huge chocolate haul, chocolate and candy haul. Please do check that out. Next week it's coming out, and subscribe and stay sweet. So we'll see each other next week, and bye bye.